Recent findings suggest that certain coral species may possess a higher level of resilience to the impacts of climate change than what was previously believed. Greetings to everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing the fascinating discovery made by scientists from Oregon State University regarding certain coral species and their ability to retain memory of surviving previous marine heat waves. This newfound resilience to climate change challenges previous assumptions and sheds light on the importance of microbial communities that coexist with corals. The study, conducted in the Maorian coral reef in French Polynesia, unveiled the connection between ecological memory response and these microbial communities. This valuable knowledge has the potential to revolutionize coral gardening and planting initiatives, as well as contribute to the development of probiotics and monitoring protocols that assess the ecological memory of individual coral colonies. According to research conducted by scientists at Oregon State University, certain coral species demonstrate resilience to marine heat waves by retaining knowledge from past experiences. Within the study, which received financial support from the National Science Foundation, there is compelling evidence suggesting a correlation between the ecological memory response and the microbial communities residing within the coral. The significance of the findings, which were released in the journal Global Change Biology today, lies in the fact that coral reefs, essential for the proper functioning of our planet, are facing a decline due to various human-induced pressures, including climate change, according to Alex Vompe, the lead author of the study. The rapidity with which reefs can acclimate to increasingly frequent and recurring disruptions, such as marine heat waves, is of utmost importance, emphasized Vompe, a doctoral candidate conducting research under the guidance of Professor Rebecca Vega Thurber in the field of microbiology. The intricate communities of microorganisms residing within the coral organisms could potentially play a pivotal role in facilitating swift adaptation. According to him, the frequency and severity of heat waves are expected to rise due to climate change. A significant objective in conservation efforts is to reduce the speed at which coral cover and species are being lost, and two key methods for achieving this are forecasting and enhancing heat tolerance. According to Vompe, comprehending the significance of microbes in adaptation can greatly contribute to the success of coral gardening and planting initiatives. Furthermore, a more profound insight into microbial processes and the organisms that contribute to ecological memory can facilitate the development of probiotics and monitoring protocols. These tools will enable the evaluation and proactive management of the ecological memory of individual coral colonies. Despite being present in less than 1% of the vast ocean, coral reefs serve as habitats for almost a quarter of the entire marine species population. In addition to this remarkable biodiversity, these reefs play a vital role in maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide levels in the sea. Moreover, they serve as an invaluable resource for scientists in their quest for discovering novel medications. The coral microbiome consists of a diverse array of bacteria, archaea, viruses, and microeukaryotes that inhabit the interconnected animal hosts known as polyps. These polyps, which make up corals, contain microscopic algae within their cells. Additionally, corals serve as a habitat for a wide range of bacteria and archaea, both functionally and taxonomically. The coral reef ecosystem relies on symbiosis as a fundamental principle, where microorganisms play a crucial role in supporting coral hosts. These microbes aid in the cycling of carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur, provide essential vitamins, and offer protection against harmful pathogens. In return, the coral polyps reciprocate by providing nourishment and safeguarding the algae and bacteria. The warming oceans caused by climate change pose a threat to coral reefs due to the potential stress it places on the delicate relationship between corals and their microbes. This stress can lead to the dissolution of these partnerships, resulting in the phenomenon of coral bleaching. According to Vompe, our research on the Maorian coral reef has revealed that Acropora retusa, a commonly found coral species, exhibits a remarkable ecological memory reaction to heat waves, which appears to be influenced by its microbiome. This suggests that certain coral species may possess a higher level of resilience towards climate change than initially believed. Over the course of 5 years, a team of researchers, including Vompi, Vega-Thurber, and scientists from OSU, the University of California, Santa Barbara, Arizona State University, and the University of Essex, conducted a comprehensive study. Their research focused on 200 coral colonies located on the north shore of Moorea, a picturesque island situated in the South Pacific. This island is positioned approximately midway between Australia and South America. According to the researchers, the reef's recent history provided a distinct chance to investigate the response to heat waves. The coral ecosystem faced a catastrophic event in 2010 as a cyclone and crown of thorns starfish decimated over 99% of the corals, essentially initiating a complete restart for the reef. Following this devastation, corals slowly began to recover and endured relatively minor instances of heat waves in 2016 and 2017. However, the most severe marine heat wave ever recorded in the region occurred from December 2018 to July 2019, subjecting the corals to unprecedented levels of stress. Between February and July of 2020, a second heat wave of significant intensity swiftly ensued. According to Vega-Thurber, it has been noted that certain types of coral possess the ability to retain a recollection of previous encounters with marine heat waves, resulting in improved resilience during subsequent heat wave events. The memory response exhibited by Acropora retusa was found to be closely correlated with alterations in its microbiome, suggesting that the microbial community plays a significant role in this phenomenon. According to her observations, the cauliflower corals belonging to the Pochilopora genus not only maintained their well-being during the heat events, but also exhibited an ecological memory response within their microbiomes. Although they were initially affected by the heat wave in 2019, they managed to recover and return to their original state before being disturbed, even when faced with the second heat wave in 2020. According to Vega-Thurber, coral microbial communities possess distinctive biological characteristics that enhance their ability to adapt and react to changes in their environment. These characteristics include short generation cycles, large population sizes, and a wide range of metabolic capabilities. Our research specifically examined 3 coral species, and in 2 of them we observed the initial resilience of the microbiome, as well as the acclimatization of both the host and microbiome to heat stress. Additionally, we discovered that the microbiome developed resistance to repeated episodes of heat stress. These findings align with the concept of ecological memory. Thomas Sharpton, an associate professor of microbiology and statistics, along with Hannah Epstein and Emily Schmelzer, both researchers from Oregon State, contributed to the study. While Epstein, who was a postdoctoral researcher at the time, currently serves as a lecturer at the University of Essex, Schmelzer, a former doctoral student in Vega-Thurber's lab, has since completed her studies and is now employed as a biologist with the US Geological Survey. This research was also backed by the generous support of the Gordon and Betty Moore Foundation. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.